The recipe to winning in the stock market, building wealth, making money, that's the whole point of why we get into the stock market, is really not complicated at all. People make it complicated because they listen to idiots. I'm sorry to speak that way, but that's the truth. I'm not saying that I am the genius and you should listen to me, but I think a proven, time-tested, universal, great, amazing, Warren Buffett approved recipe is to know what you buy a great company, hold it, be patient, maybe dollar cost average when appropriate, and just chill. You'll make money. In this YouTube video, we're going to cover two companies that are going public. They're brand new. They're coming very soon on October 1st. The one company is tied with politicians. And then the second company has to do with insurance. And also, towards the end of the video, I have a surprise for you. I have a huge surprise for you. My own take on, you know what? How about none of that? And how about that? You'll see what I mean. One YouTube viewer left me a comment yesterday. I'm going to show you the comment, not to say that, ooh, I'm perfect and I'm going to boast about how perfect I am. No, but maybe to take something that might help us from all of this. 100,000 is coming soon. This is in regards to me posting yesterday that I reached 80,000 subscribers. I want to thank you all so much, so much. It's amazing. Just amazing. Thank you for your support. So 100,000 is coming soon. Many congratulations. You are a very genuine guy, Mike. If one can be patient, pretty much all your picks are winners. So far, from 2022 to 2024, end of year 2024, where I was posting live, archived by Discord with Discord's own dates and everything, right? It's not even made up. I would post live what I would buy, and it would sit there on Discord forever. You can look at, if you were in my Discord, My Picks 2022 channel, or the My Picks 2023 channel, or the My Picks 2024 channel. Combined, all those channels had hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of picks. About on average, 85, 90% of all those picks were sold profitable. Do you remember this YouTube thumbnail? This is a YouTube video that I had posted for you guys 1 year ago. This stock, biggest turnaround in history. Big gains coming soon. The stock was Intel Corporation. At that time of my YouTube video, it was trading at $20.81. Today, it is trading at $35 in pre-market. How about when I made a YouTube video for Centrus Energy Corp at $42.55? Today, it's trading at $300.04. How about Worthington Steel, which this one, by the way, is from this year, so 1 year out. Let's see, $35. Worthington Steel, at the time of me making the YouTube video, was in the after hours, and it was trading at $25.42. Right now, it's already at $29.16. If you don't learn how to pick good companies and have patience and dollar cost average if needed, then I'm sorry, you don't have the moves.
How dare you? How dare you? How dare you? But Dad, what about the moves? There were no moves. There were no moves.
There are people who don't want to wait up to 1 year. They want short-term trading, and these people exist, and there's nothing wrong with that. Over on our Discord/Patreon, I have built 3 AI technical analysis bots that have been doing phenomenal. Here, let me show you some examples. Our professional momentum AI analysis for ticker symbol NUAI gave us a recommendation buy, conviction high. The price at the time was 82 cents. The stock went on just a few days later to hit $1.27. Our professional momentum analysis for ticker symbol AIIO gave us a strong buy. The current price at the time was $1.75, and just a week later, it trades at $2.62. If you want to be part of our Discord community, you would have to sign up on Patreon, which will then give you access to Discord. The Patreon tier that gives you access to Stock Wizard is this one right here. Okay, so let's go over to the first IPO, the first company that is going public, and this is the one that is politically tied with politicians, and obviously that gives it a boost. So the company is called Fermi Inc Corporation, ticker symbol FRMI. They are offering their IPO at $18 to $22. It is available for pre-order on Robinhood, and a lot of people are talking about this. Let me just say right away, at $18, if you were to get the shares at 18, I think, personally speaking, for me, it's a win-win. Market cap is, it's overvalued. Let me just say that, like $12 billion market cap. The revenue of this company is nowhere near at all in any way, shape, or form to even coming close to the market cap. But obviously you don't evaluate a stock, whether it's undervalued or overvalued and so on, just by saying, well, here's the market cap, here's the revenue, right? You got to look at the assets, you got to look at the, the debt, you got to look at a bunch of things. The company's mission is to power the artificial intelligence needs of tomorrow. We are an advanced energy and hyperscaler development company purpose-built for the AI era. Our mission is to deliver up to 11 gigawatts of low-carbon and on-demand power directly to the world's most compute-intensive businesses, with 1 gigawatt of power projected to be online by the end of 2026. We'll talk more about that 1 gigawatt by the end of 2026 in a little bit. Rick Perry's Energy REIT is seeking a $500 million IPO. This is the Secretary of Energy in the first Trump administration. Obviously, like I said, they have pretty much almost very little revenue. In order for them to reach their goals, just going public won't be enough. The money they will raise from the IPO will not be enough. Eventually, at some point, they're going to take out loans. I don't know, maybe put out more shares on the market. That is because the company does not expect to generate revenue within the next 12 months. By the end of 2026, and only if construction is on time, will they be able to see revenue. The company has signed a memorandum of understanding for pipeline capacity from Energy Transfer, where Rick Perry sits on the board of directors. This dude was in the first Trump administration in the energy department. He sits on the board of directors of Energy Transfer. He's now bringing a company that's supposed to power the next generation of AI. He's got political connections. What's going to make a lot of money for investors going forward is the energy sector. That's just my opinion. Let's go to the next IPO, which is Neptune Insurance Holdings, ticker symbol NP. IPO price range 18 to 20 bucks. Market cap at 2.9 billion when they go public. The company is a leading high growth and highly profitable data-driven managing general agent that is revolutionizing the way homeowners and businesses protect against a growing risks of flooding. Revenue from 2023 going into 2025 is constantly growing. Their net income is beautiful, healthy, awesome, constantly growing. Free cash flow, gorgeous, growing, positive. Cash and cash equivalents are also growing. And the total debt of the company is nearly $300 million. Hard to ignore. It's pretty hard to ignore. I mean, they're doing well every year, year over year, and they are profitable. It's hard to ignore. All right, it's an established company. They look good. None of what I said in this video is financial advice. Now, I did say at the beginning of the video that I will say, you know what, how about none of them? And how about that? That surprise is Amentum Holdings, which is actually not really a surprise if you follow my YouTube channel, because I have done a YouTube video dedicated just to this company. If I didn't want to commit to IPOs and I wasn't sure, yeah, it looks good, but I don't know, what about this, what about that? You know what? At the end of the day, we're in the stock market to make money, right? So, you know what? Why don't I just focus on pouring more money, investing more in Amentum Holdings, ticker symbol AMTM, which is a company I highly, super believe in. Super believe in. I mean, I feel no stress investing in this company. I've done a YouTube video, so I'm not going to explain why. You can watch my video on Amentum Holdings. And I'm going to say this, and we're going to look at this next year, right? So for people in 2026, I'm going to say this now from 2025. Amentum Holdings is going to be 35 bucks minimum by the end of 2026, if not sooner. That's just my opinion, and I can't wait to see 1 year later if I was right or not. I'm gonna stop that video here because there's no point in talking anymore or talking too much. If you like my YouTube video, subscribe to my channel to help me reach 90,000. Let's go to the 90,000. Obviously after that, I'm gonna say, let's go to 100,000. Okay, so hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube video. It's free, doesn't cost anything. Leave a comment in the comment section below. And if you want to join our Discord/Patreon community to have access to our beautiful Stock Wizard tools, the link will be in the comment section below or in the description of this YouTube video. All right, everyone, take care.